courses, video and such stuffs, I came to know that if the oil soft oil percentage is high, then we have to increase the lye concentration ratio. So I kept this soap at 33% only with more number of soft oil. Would that be the reason for that smell, sir?
Okay, start பண்ணிடலாமா? Yeah, so this question is mostly about goat's milk soap, and by the way the question was asked, I suppose there was no fragrance or essential oils added, and this is only not for milk soaps, it is for everything. The common perception is that once you add beetroot or milk or whatever, that smell comes out, but it is not so. So you need to add additional essential oils or fragrances for the soap to smell good. So by the way the question was asked, I am assuming that there was no fragrances added, and I'm going to answer it on that note. So let's see what happens. Ma'am, the question which you asked, I suppose it is all because of the soap doesn't smell good, and for that reason I think you should add a little bit of essential oils or fragrance oils. And if you're choosing essential oils for goat milk soaps, I think lavender, vanilla should be good. And if you're going for fragrances, you can choose any milky type fragrances, something like lavender again and that, and blended fragrances which are suitable for white soaps, and you can also add vanilla fragrance. So if you do that, it would solve your issue of the soaps not smelling good. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு சோப் மேக்கிங், க்ரீம் மேக்கிங் இதில் ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா 88303139 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பருக்கு வாய்ஸ் நோட் பண்ணுங்கள். நேரடியாக உங்களுக்கான கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் அளிக்கிறேன். ஸோ வீடியோ பார்த்த வரைக்கும் நன்றி. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்குற வரைக்கும் கவிராஜ் மோகனசுந்தரம். பை பாய்.